내 피땀 눈물 내 마지막 춤을 다 가져가 내 피땀 눈물 내 차가운 숨을 다 가져가 내 피땀 눈물 눈물도 내 몸, 마음, 영혼도 너의 것인 걸 잘 알고 있어. 이건 나를 벌받게 할 줄.
Peaches and cream, sweeter than sweet. Chocolate cheeks and chocolate wings. But 너의 날개는 악마의 걸. 너의 그 sweet 앞엔 비려비려.
Kiss me 아파도 돼 어서 날 조여줘 더 이상 아플 수도 없게 Baby 취해도 돼 이제 널 들이켜 못 깊게 널 whiskey
내 피땀 눈물 내 마지막 춤을 다 가져가 내 피땀 눈물 내 차가운 숨을 다 가져가 Want that money 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 Want that money 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 Want that money 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 Want that money 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 money
아파도 돼 나 묶어줘 내가 도망칠 수 없게 꽉 쥐고 나 흔들어줘 내가 정신 못 차리게 Kiss me on the lip 립술만 내비 너란 감옥에 중독되게 네가 아닌 다른 사람 섬기지 못해 알면서도 삼켜버린 독이듯
피땀 눈물 내 마지막 춤을 다 가져가 내 피땀 눈물 내 차가운 숨을 다 가져가 Want that money 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 Want that money 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 Want that money 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 Want that money 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 나를 부드럽게 죽여줘 너의 손길로는 감겨줘 어차피 거부할 수조차 없어 더는 도망갈 수조차 없어 또 네가 너무 달콤해 너무 달콤해 너무 달콤해서 피땀 눈물 피땀 눈물
How was that? Yeah! I nailed it! Yes! How was my performance, guys? Oh my god! Did you see that? Did you see that? All those moves, man. Okay, so honestly, all the practice was so hard because there was a lot of moves from different angles and I had to analyze them one by one on how they actually did it. I did my best to do a cover of them. So how was my Blood, Sweat and Tears cover, guys? Do you think I'm good at dancing? Comment down below. And yeah, like this video if you want me to do more covers, but if I do more covers then I won't have anything special to show you guys. But it's not my decision, it's you guys. So I want to see those likes and I want to see those comments. Comments of maybe hatred or approval of my dancing, or likes for more covers and dislikes for no covers at all. And yeah, you like part 2 of my 100 subscriber special? Cause oh my god, I was so excited to film this, and I finally did. I finally did. I think I'm gonna laugh at myself while editing, cause like I had to kneel down a bit just to let you guys see my face, that I'm the one who's actually dancing. My god. You know, in the update video, I promise you guys, you would never hear or see me dance. What am I doing? I'm making a video of me dancing. But oh well, oh well. It's done. You guys enjoyed it. And yeah, I actually want to make another cover video. I have 100 subscribers! Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my god. Like, you know how much effort I gave that dance to? Just for my 100 subscribers. I appreciate it that 100 people would want to see my content. So far my content, because, again, Tyron, post something. But, that's not my problem. If he cannot manage his time as well as mine, not as well as mine, but if he cannot manage his time like me, well, he can do it when he actually has spare time. But since I can manage my time, I give you guys videos. So, you're happy about that, right? Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it that you guys will watch this. And thank you for 100 subscribers. I actually do see every comment. I try to reply to all of them. And yeah. Thank you so much for watching my videos. It's like, even though this is a hobby of mine, I still am very happy for getting this much subscribers. And hopefully you guys will stay here for as long as you can, since I'm gonna be making these videos a lot. I told you it's a hobby. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is part 2 of the million subscribers special. And yeah, I'll keep making videos, don't worry. And I'll see you guys in my next videos and onwards. Thank you for the 100 subscribers. Again, I'm sorry. I just want to thank you guys so much. And I'll see you guys in another video. Bye.